Hi, I'm Chuck Pfeffer, VP of Marketing at Cupix. I'd like to tell you a little bit about Cupix today. Cupix is a spatial intelligence platform. It's a unified platform that brings in all sorts of reality capture. Our primary capture device is a 360 camera. This is the Insta X5 camera. Goes for about $500. So it's easy to get into the capture space with the camera, but it doesn't just create a panoramic image for a virtual tour, but it creates a 3D point cloud. So that unified platform has the point cloud from this, which you can easily capture, but also can bring in your laser scans, your LiDAR mobile scans, even drone data, not just drone orthomosaics, but we can create orthomosaics from your drone imagery. So this platform is not just something that you can collaborate and share with anyone who needs to see it, but it also can incorporate intelligence. So some of our solutions include the ability to align to BIM, to understand what is installed compared to BIM, also to track progress based on a project that gets integrated with that. And we're also using, some of our customers right now are using our product Cupix Compass, which will be available to everyone soon. And Compass is an AI system that allows you to talk to your platform. So you have all this great, rich information in our platform. You can ask it anything about it. You can also have annotations and other imagery in the platform. So you could say, how many of the pumps in this part of the complex are needed inspection this week? And it will tell you which ones need it, where they are, and tell you the schedule. You could say in construction, you could say, the HVAC systems on the third floor, how many of them are installed? And then it would say, here are the installations of your HVAC. These are the vendors that did it. This is how many were done. So, and then you could follow up with, would you like to see the image of it? So all of this can be accessed through the Cupix Compass system. So that's sort of the direction we're going, is all this information is on our platform, and now we're going to make it more actionable, more predictive, and more valuable to everyone who has an interest in it. So here at GeoWeek, we're showing both products, Cupix Works and Cupix Vista. Cupix Works is that high-end system that has all this great capability, but Cupix Vista is also very important because it really can democratize the reality capture. Because we create a high-quality point cloud from just a $500 camera, it makes it accessible to anyone who needs it without having to schedule or purchase a laser scanner. It doesn't replace a laser scanner. It's about 99% accurate to a laser scan, but it has a lot of value for people that don't need the accuracy of a laser scanner, or if they want to do a fast, scalable scan. We scanned this entire hall in just 20 minutes, and 4 hours later, it was available to anyone who wants to see it on a cloud-based platform. And so the ability to do things at scale, fast, and at low cost is where it fits into that list of all the different reality capture platforms.
Okay. Where can they find more information?
Yeah, so if you want to learn more about Cupix, you can go to cupix.com. That's where we have all the Cupix Works information. If you want to try Cupix Vista, which is available right now, which is February 18th? It's February 17th today. At least for the next month or so, you can try Cupix Vista for free. So all you need is to get an Insta camera or a Ricoh Theta X. On cupixvista.com, you'll be able to find which cameras to use. You can sign up, download the app, and start capturing immediately, and then you'll have your own collaborative point cloud to share and play with, until we go live with that system. But right now, it's open for free testing.